Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is macaroni chicharon. Yes, that's right. Today, I will be teaching you how to make chicharon using macaroni pasta. And this is one cheap pika-pika recipe that you can prepare for your family. If this is something that you wanted to learn, please keep on watching. Let's check out the ingredients. Macaroni pasta, cooking oil, and salt. So for this chicharon recipe, you can either use the powdered cheese or the barbecue flavored powder. Just toss it on the macaroni chicharon and shake it. Or you can just simply add salt and dip it on a vinegar, garlic, and onion combination. Alright, so I hope you enjoy watching this video, and for complete recipe details, please check on the video description. And if you have any recipe request or recipe suggestion or a recipe that you want me to prepare next time, please comment down below and I'd be happy to check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a new video. And of course, don't forget to like and follow us on our Facebook page. You can also find us on Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. And for more recipe ideas, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video. God bless everyone. Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.